If you are getting leads but not converting them fast enough, you are losing potential customers every single day. Most businesses collect leads in Google Sheets, but the real problem is nobody follows up instantly. And in today's market, if you don't respond within minutes, your competitor will. That's exactly where most businesses lose opportunities. Not because they don't get leads, but because they don't respond fast enough. And this is where this automation becomes powerful. In this video, I will show you how to build a system where as soon as a lead comes into Google Sheets, AI generates a personalized WhatsApp message and gets it sent instantly without you typing a single line of message. This directly improves your chance of converting leads because faster response and personalization are what actually drives sales today. Let me first show you how this works in action, then we will build it. This workflow gets triggered as soon as any new data is added on this Google Sheet. In here, I will add a new row, then you will see instantly the details that I will add there. On those exact same details, my customer will receive a WhatsApp message. So at first, let me add these details. Here I've added the name, number, business type, and interest of my customer. Now instantly you will see on my WhatsApp account, I will receive a message regarding this. Now I will open my WhatsApp account. In here you can see I have successfully received this message. Hi Jay, noticed your coaching institute is focused on lead conversion. We help institutes turn more inquiries into enrolled students with faster follow-ups and smarter nurturing. If you'd like, I can share a simple idea that could help increase admissions. You just saw this customer instantly receive this message as soon as their details got added inside my Google Sheet. So this happened just because of this workflow that I've created inside my Pabbly Connect account. You have seen the demo. Now, if you want to use this setup for your own business, I have added all the links in the description. You can start using Pabbly Connect to automate your entire lead response system. I have shown you the demo. Now I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can also create this workflow. For that, we have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. After that, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect, where in the top right corner, you will get these two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. All the existing users have to click on this sign in button and get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From where today we will use Pabbly Connect. So click on this access now button and get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Inside this dashboard, by clicking on this create workflow button, you can start creating your workflow. We have to click on this, then we have got these two different options to create our workflow. We can either create this from scratch or we can also create this using AI. I will show you how you can create your workflow using AI. So we will select this option. After that, inside this box, I have to add the title and use case of my workflow. So I will add these details and then I just have to send them. You can see as I have selected three different applications: Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Pabbly Chatflow. That's why this AI will ask me the application event of that particular application. First of all, it is asking me the application event of this Google Sheet. As I want the application event as new or updated spreadsheet for this Google Sheet, so I will select this. Then it is asking for this OpenAI. For this, I want to use this ChatGPT. So I will search for it, then I will select it from here. At last, for this Pabbly Chatflow, as I want to send a text message to my customer, that's why I will select this send text message. You can see it has successfully created the structure of this workflow. Now I just have to approve this and then I have to open this in a next page. You can see we have successfully got the structure of our workflow. Now we just have to integrate these applications with Pabbly Connect to successfully create our workflow. First of all, we will integrate our trigger application with the help of which our workflow will get triggered. So we have to open this application. Now you can see after pressing this connect button, here this webhook URL will be visible to you. You just have to copy this from here and follow the steps given here to successfully integrate this webhook URL inside your Google Sheet. I will show you that directly. You have to open your Google Sheet and just open the sheet where you add all the details of your customer. This is my sheet. In here, you have to click on this extension, select this add-ons, get on this get add-ons. You will be inside this Google Workspace Marketplace. Inside this search box, just search for this webhook and select this Pabbly Connect webhook from here. You can see this Pabbly Connect webhook is already installed inside my PC. So you also have to install this inside your Google Sheet. After installing this, go back, click on this extension again. It will be visible to you at the bottom here. So from here, select this initial setup. This box will be visible to you. Inside this webhook URL box, we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Next, for this trigger column, we have to add the last column of our Google Sheet where data is added. Inside my Google Sheet, this D is my last column. So I will type down this D here. Then I have to press this send test button. After that, you will see the first row added in my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect as a new response. Our data is sent, so we just have to submit our configuration. It is also configured successfully. We just have to cut this. Now we have to do one more thing. Click on this extension again, select this Pabbly Connect webhook and click on this send on event, so that every time a new row will get added here, automatically that data will get sent to our Pabbly Connect account without our manual interference. We have successfully created this send on event. Now we have to go back inside our Pabbly Connect account. In here you can see we have successfully received the response with all the details that were added in the first row of my Google Sheet. This means that my trigger step Google Sheet is working fine. Next, I have to work on this first action application OpenAI, with the help of which we will generate a personalized response for every customer. And once this is set up, every new lead gets an instant response that feels personalized, which is exactly what helps you engage and convert them faster. To integrate this application with Pabbly Connect, we just have to open this, then press this connect button. You will receive these two options here, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have already established the connection, go with the second option. But if you want to create a connection for the first time, select this add new connection. Then in here, you have to add the token. This token is like the password of OpenAI. To get this, at first purchase a paid subscription of OpenAI, then click on this hyperlink given here. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here, on the right side, you will see this button, create new secret key. Click on this button, give a name to your key, then press this create secret key button. Your secret key will get generated. You can easily copy this key from here and paste it inside your Pabbly Connect account to successfully create your connection. In here, I will add my own key, then I will press this save button. I have created my connection. Next, I have to select this AI model. For this, I will select this GPT 5.4, but if you want, you can also select any other model. Next, I have to add this prompt. So I will also add this quickly. I have added this prompt. You are a sales expert. Create a personalized WhatsApp message. Return only the message text. In front of this name, business type and interest, we have to add these following details of our customer. I have also added these rules. This is the detailed prompt that I have added here. If you want to use this prompt, just comment below this video prompt, and there I will provide you this prompt instantly, which you can use while creating your own workflow. I have added this. Now we have to fill up these details of name, business type and interest. To fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping, because by mapping, we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, like if I will enter the name of my customer manually, then that field will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why, to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. I have explained mapping. Now I will show you how to map data. To map data, we just have to press this slash, then search for the value that we want to map here. I wanted to map the name, so I have searched for the name, then the name is visible here, so I just have to click over this. It is selected successfully. Next, for this business type, I will again search for this business type from here. This business type is visible here as gym owner. I have to click over this and it is also mapped. For this interest, I will again search for this interest from here. Lead generation is visible. I have to click over this and it is also mapped. After mapping these details, we just have to press this save and send test request button to let AI generate a response for ourselves. We have successfully received our response. Inside this message, you can see we have successfully received this structured content which we can send to our customer Rahul. We have received our message. Now we just have to send this message to our customer inside the next step. So I will cut this. Now we will work on our last step, Pabbly Chatflow, with the help of which we will send a WhatsApp message to our customer. I have almost completed my workflow. Now, if you are serious about converting more leads and automating your follow-ups, I highly recommend to use Pabbly Connect. This setup can save you hours of manual work and ensures that every lead gets a timely, personalized response, which directly increases your chance of closing them. You can use my coupon code JAIYT to get a discount on your subscription. I have also added this coupon code in the description box, so make sure to use that. To integrate this last application, Pabbly Chatflow, we have to open this. Next, we have to press this connect button. You will receive these two different options again, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also, I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection. Now in here, I have to add this token. To get this token, click on this hyperlink. You will get directed on the All Apps page of Pabbly. From here, access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. In this dashboard, at first you have to click on this button, Add WhatsApp Number. Select any of these two methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. From here, go on the settings and select this API and webhook. You will see your API token here. You just have to copy this from here, open Pabbly Connect, paste it inside the box, press the save button to create your connection. My connection is created. Now I have to fill up these following details. First of all, I will fill up this recipient's WhatsApp mobile number. I will search for this from here. It is visible here, so I have to select this. Then for this WhatsApp message, I will again press this slash button. Then from this drop down of OpenAI, we will map the message that we have received from our OpenAI. We have to select this content, and after that, for this name, we have to search for the name of our customer. It is visible here. We just have to select this. Then we have to click on this save and send test request button. I have received my response as sent. This means that this message is sent successfully to my customer. I will open my WhatsApp account. Here you can see I have successfully received this new message with this name, Hi Rahul. This means that the workflow that I have created here is working all fine. From now onwards, whenever any new row will get added on your Google Sheet, automatically to that particular customer, a personalized WhatsApp message will get sent with the help of this workflow. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can automatically send personalized WhatsApp message to your customer directly through your Google Sheets. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. And I will suggest you to start implementing this as soon as possible, because the longer you delay, the more leads you are missing out on. Links and coupon code are in the description, so go and set this up for your business. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.